Hello all, welcome back to the lecture. Earlier we did the program, that is how many students you want. For example, if user says that I want 10 students, then it works fine. But what if student enter that I want the 51 students? Because we fix the array with the size, that is 50. Now I don't want to fix the size. I want that if user says that I want the 500 students, then also fine. And if user says that I want only one students, then also fine. So here instead of array, you can just declare, that is instead of s of 50, you can write pointer s, and you can say this variable is a pointer to structure. Now what I want the n number of students. So we definitely need to allocate the memory to variable s. So how we can allocate the memory? Very simple. You can write s is equal to, you can call the function that is calloc. How many size you want? That is n. For example, user says that I want the 500 students. Then 500 value will be passed over here, and we need to pass the size of, that is structure student. So size of student will be passed over here. Definitely we need to cast to required data type, and that is the structure. So we can just cast to struct student pointer. So what happened in this particular code? This pointer variable s have the dynamic memory. It means if user says that I want the 200 students, then the 200 memory will be allocated to s variable. And if you says that I want only 3 students, then the memory of the 3 students will be allocated to variable s. For example, how many students you want? I want 3 students. For example, roll number 101 Parag, 102 name, for example Tatsat, 103 name, for example Deven. Now what happens? See, if I enter the 3 students, then the data of 3 students will be stored. And if you says that I want to store the data of 5 students, then the data of 5 students will be stored. If you look carefully at this program, then this program has the member of structure, array within structure, and pointer to structure. We will discuss about how to declare the structure within structure and how to declare the pointer within the structure in the next lecture.